How to download files faster on Android browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download files faster on your Android browser. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's begin. To download faster on Android, enable Chrome's hidden parallel downloading flag. To do that, you will first need to open up your Google Chrome. Locate your Google Chrome and then open it up. Then on your search bar, simply search for Chrome. Give a colon, give 2 slashes, and after that you'll need to type in flags. After you type that in, you can press enter and search for it. Now, right here you'll need to find parallel downloading. So search for parallel downloading. It should be somewhere around here. So you can simply head over to the search section and search for parallel, and you'll find the parallel downloading. Now you need to change this setting from default to enabled. After you enable it, this will basically accelerate your download speed, and it's that simple. Now tap the relaunch button at the bottom, and after you've done that, now Chrome basically splits files into parts for faster fetching. And that's how you do it, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.